Hello, as a quick update on gas and electricity markets from Professional Energy Services. One thing you may have noticed is there's been very much a step change in gas and electricity wholesale prices in the new year in relation to what we saw on the run up to Christmas. So a quick look back, the run up to Christmas, we saw a nice consistent downward trend in both gas and electricity prices, as well as oil and carbon, giving us a nice sort of opportunity to buy and take some cover and some risk out of the market. As we got into the new year, we've seen prices steadily rise. This is due to a number of factors. Obviously, we did have some significant drops, so this is to a degree a market correction, but also there are some fundamentals that have changed that we need to take into account. What we're hearing is a bit of nervous sentiment around European gas storage levels, currently at 54%. That's being highlighted in a number of industry market reports as a potential cause for concern. From a personal point of view, I've seen it worse at this time of year. From a temperature point of view as well, we're expecting a bit more cold weather on the way, and obviously you've noticed yourself that the temperatures have dropped. That's put a bit of a squeeze on supply in the short term. Where we're looking in regards to carbon markets as well, they've also been on the increase. There's been a bit of a drive around carbon pricing in the new year. Electricity as well, it's all following a similar pattern, which is obviously up. I don't think it's cause for concern though. We just need to monitor it, keep an eye on the positions and follow our policies, which is why you have risk management policy in the first place. Following on from that, we expect to see a bit of nervousness in the market. I would be remiss to ignore all the geopolitical factors. We do have to take into account that Iran is going through what looks like shaping up to be a regime change. Trump's imposed tariffs on countries dealing with Iran. That is putting a bit of nervousness around the oil complex, notwithstanding all the other political and military actions around the world that also add weight to that. However, there has been mention this morning that Russia and Ukraine are close to peace talks. That hasn't followed through into any market movements yet. We've been at this juncture a number of times, so we take that with a bit of a pinch of salt until we see otherwise. For more information, please go on professionalenergy.co.uk, follow us on LinkedIn, or get in contact directly.